Radioactivity is very useful in medicine. It's called nuclear medicine. One technique used is called isotope scanning. So they can give you a substance that has a small amount of a radioactive isotope on it and introduce that into your body, either having you swallow something or injecting something, and then that, based on what the molecule is, it could be sugar, it could be something that's just going to go to where there's an infection, that will get spread around in your body. And then we can use photographic film or a scintillation counter to see where that radioactive isotope went. So technetium-99 is a common radiation source for bone scans. So this is a bone scan, and it's giving information about your bones. Radiation is often used as a therapy for cancer because it's very good at killing rapidly dividing cells. So the gamma knife procedure, so this woman undergoing this radiotherapy most likely has a brain tumor. So this instrument is delivering a ray of gamma radiation targeted at the brain tumor. Now, this is going to do damage to the tumor, which contains rapidly dividing cells. It is going to also damage the tissue that it goes through. So what we do is we try to minimize the amount of damage to healthy tissue and maximize the damage to the cancerous tissue. Shoot, I don't have a picture of that one. So what's done is you take this beam and you shoot it from this direction and hit the tumor. And then you move the beam and you shoot it from a different direction and hit the tumor. So the healthy tissue is getting one shot in each place, but all of those are hitting the tumor itself. And so the tumor gets a large dose of radiation and the surrounding tissue gets a small dose of radiation. Now this does still cause effects. Sometimes you may lose your hair or have issues, with other fast-growing cells like, fingernails, or it can cause a sunburn effect. But lots of uses in medicine.